gonna do.
I'm standing behind you.
I'm afraid.
Come on, do it! Well,
it's supposed to right at least.
Everything's going the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it feel?
It feels okay.
It only took you what? 5 hours to figure this damn thing out?
It feels okay.
Does it feel normal?
As often as I fly, everything's still scary to me right now.
Oh, fat head in the way.
That's going in the video. The best of. Piece of skip black widow works pretty good.
They do work pretty good. I was thinking about using one in the crane, but it doesn't support 4 servo CCPM. Ooh, I hear a shake.
Yeah. Makes you wonder why you spent 450 on that. Don't get me wrong, you have to be great. Now about a minute 40.
You know exactly what you're doing. You copied his shit.
Oh, I copied the performance. Copied the performance.